Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply AI voice to your audio in Kinemaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here as you can see, I have edited my audio to this Kinemaster project. And then I'm going to apply the AI voice. So we can click on the audio and then we're going to find the AI voice, this one. If you haven't gotten this AI voice, you can go to the store and then you're going to download the AI voice plugin. Okay, just go to the store. Alright, and these are the AI voices we can apply to our audio. I'm just going to choose, for example, this one, this narrator voice. Okay, this is how the voice sounds like, and I'm going to click on convert. Okay guys, and we just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and I think I need to pause this video and I'll be right back if the process completed. Okay, now it's done guys, and I'm going to play it to show you the result.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to share.
Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply AI voice to our audio in Kinemaster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.